Before getting into the details about comparing the performance between Pandas, Polars, and PySpark, we need to generate the test data. As part of the repository, we have a file called as generate_car_sales_data.py. It can be leveraged to generate larger volume of data. It will generate data for 10 years. Let's go ahead and run it to generate 10 years of hypothetical data. In this case, you just have to launch the terminal. Make sure the Python virtual environment is activated. Then you should be able to run a command ls-ltr, and you can see there is a file by name generate_car_sales_data.py. Copy that and then say Python and paste. What will happen? It will create a folder by name car sales data, and for each month it will start generating the data. It starts from 2015 January, and I think it will go all the way till 2024 December. Now let me run this. You can see it is generating the data as per the expectations. As of now, it is generating the data for 2015. It will take a bit of time to generate data for all the months. You can preview whatever is going on by going into the folder car sales data. I am not going to provide this data to you. You have to use this program, which is nothing but generate car sales data, to generate data yourself. Once the data is generated fully, then using this dataset, we should be able to get into comparison between the 3 Python libraries for data processing, which are nothing but Pandas, Polars, and PySpark. Now the program ran successfully. You can go through the details here. It have generated data all the way from 2015 till 2024. You can also review by expanding this. We have data for 2015, 16, 17, 18, all the way till 2024. That means we have 10 years worth of data. Now let's review the size of the data. You can actually go to the Finder, and then you should be able to right click and click on Get Info. Even on Windows, you should be able to use this approach to see the size of the data. You can see the size is 1.52 or 62 GB. It is 1.52 GB. And you can see there are 121 items. One of them might be some hidden file, which you don't need to worry too much. It have actually 120 files exactly. You can confirm by using this command ls-ltr car sales data, then star.csv. You can see all the files here. Then let's say pipe wc-l. You can see there are 120 files. As we are ready with data, we will actually compare Pandas, Polars, and PySpark on 2 criteria. 1, development complexity, and 2, performance between these 3 libraries.